Namaskar students, I am Jayavin Dr. Rajukumar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss Agriculture Finance and Corporation. Under Agriculture Finance and Corporation, today I will discuss Kisan Credit Card. It is the KCC. So, general introduction about the KCC. Kisan Credit Card is a credit card to provide affordable credit for the farmers in India. The Kisan Credit Card scheme was introduced by the Government of India in 1998 August with the aim to provide credit to the farmers on the basis of their land holding of the farmers may use them to purchase agriculture inputs such as seed, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. and also drug cash for their production needs. So, जो किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड जो होता है वो लॉन्च हुआ था अगस्त 1998 के अंदर और जो किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड है इसका जो मेन एम है वो है जो भी फार्मर्स हैं उनको लोन प्रोवाइड करवाना किस चीज़ के लिए सीड के लिए फर्टिलाइजर के लिए पेस्टिसाइड्स के लिए और प्रोडक्शन के लिए जो भी नीड है उसके लिए जो केसीसी है वो फार्मर्स को लोन प्रोवाइड करवाता है. The main features of the Kisan credit cards. The Kisan credit card scheme is implemented by the public sector, commercial bank, regional rural banks and the cooperative banks. It was launched to provide short-term loan in the form of the production credit. However, later it is the scope was extended to the term loan for the agriculture and allied activities and the responsible components for the consumption loan. Thus, currently the scheme provides production credit, working capital requirement for the allied activities, and the credit required for the related to crop productions and the need and insurance of KCC borrowers. The crop loan disbursed under the Kisan credit card scheme for the notified crop are covered under the National Crop Insurance Scheme. The eligible farmers to be provided with the Kisan credit card and the passbook or card cum passbook. Repayment for the amount borrower can be made within the period of 12 months. Limit to be fixed on the basis of the operation and land holding, cropping pattern and the scale of financing. The validity of Kisan credit card for the 3 year subject to the annual revenue and the cropping pattern etc. And the Kisan credit card also perishable in the case of damage to crop due to the natural climates. The benefits of Kisan credit card: repayment only after harvesting, free disbursement procedure, no need apply to loan for the every crop, help by seed fertilizer at the farmer's convenience and the choice, single credit facility, term loan for the all agriculture requirements. Credit is available for the period up to the 3 years without any seasonal appraisals. जो किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड है वो फार्मर्स को हार्वेस्टिंग के बाद रिपेमेंट करने के लिए रिपेमेंट कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए वो उसको फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करवाता है. और जो भी फार्मर्स हैं उनको जैसे सीड खरीदने के लिए, फर्टिलाइजर खरीदने के लिए ये फार्मर्स को लोन प्रोवाइड करता है. केसीसी का इसका जो लोन का रिपेमेंट जो पीरियड होता है अप टू 3 ईयर होता है. इनकम फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर सोर्सेज डिटरमाइंस द मैक्सिमम क्रेडिट लिमिटेड. देयर आर नो restrictions on the each cash withdrawal that can be made by the Kisan credit card holders as long as it is within the credit limits set by the banks. The flexible repayment options, it can be the reducible if there is the bad crop seasons and the extensions are offered for up to the 4 year. Now this slide show the banks provide Kisan credit card facility. The 3 banks are provide the Kisan credit card facility for the commercial bank and the cooperative banks and regional rural banks. And the commercial bank, the bank are namely Allahabad Bank, Andhra Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India. And the cooperative banks are Uttar Pradesh Cooperative Banks, Maharashtra State Cooperative Banks, Gujarat State Cooperative Banks, Kerala State Cooperative Banks. And the regional rural banks, Allahabad UP Gramin Bank, Baroda UP Gramin Bank of Gramin Bank of Madhya Gramin Bank, 7 UP Gramin Bank, etc. Thank you.